Hi students, good afternoon one and all. Welcome back our favorite video channel HGVS. This is B Ramesh Kumar. Now today this time let us discuss the solutions of the problems. Here we have to discuss in previous class power of the point and length of the tangents, and based on power of the point we have to prove two theorems and also to find the formula for length of the tangent. So here we have to discuss solutions of that problems with examples and in the exercise 1b. So in the first sum is, which is example number 1, find the power of point with respect to the circle. Here given one point 1, 2 and one circle s equal to x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 equal 0. So here the point P can be treated as x1, y1. So clearly we have to take power of point. We know that power of a point P x1, y1 with respect to the circle s equal 0 is, the formula is S11. Now, which implies S11 means here we take x1 square plus y1 square plus 6x1 plus 8y1 minus 96. Here not take 2 equal to 0. This is one of the constant. Because of here we have to substitute the point x1, y1. That equals to x1 means 1, y1 means 2. So 1 square plus 2 square plus 6 into 1 plus 8 into 2 minus 96. Now here the value is 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus 16. 6 1 is 6, 8 2 is 16 minus 96. Now the sum of positive values are 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 6, 17 plus 10, 27. So 27 minus 96. Now that value equals to 16 minus 7, 9, 8 minus 2, 6. So minus 69 is there. So clearly we have to observe this is negative. Now the power of the point with respect to the circle s equals 0 is s11. Now here the s11 equals to minus 69. Therefore power of P12 is minus 69. And also we have to observe this value is negative. Therefore, the position of the point is interior to the circle. The position of the point is interior to the circle. So, that can be also here we write. Since S11 is less than 0, then the given point P12 is interior to the circle. S equal 0. This is the solution for this question. So now we have to solve exercise sums in first problem and second one. The first problem is given P equals to 5 minus 6. One of the circle also given s equal to x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15. So here also first we write the formula. We know that power of a point P of x1, y1 with respect to the circle s equal 0 is s11. So that is, here s11 means, here we write in place of xy, x1, y1. So now we consider P is x1, y1. Here x1 equals to 5, y1 equals to 6. So x1 square plus y1 square plus 8x1 plus 12y1 plus 15. So this is s11. In that substitute the points 5 square plus minus 6 whole square plus 8 into 5 plus 12 into minus 6 plus 15. Now here that value can be simplified by 5 square means 25 minus 6 whole square means 36 8 5 is 40. Plus into minus minus, 12 6 is 72 plus 50. Here sum of positive terms 25 plus, here sum of positive terms 25 plus 40 65, 65 plus 30 95, 95 plus 6 101, 101 plus 10 111 plus 5 116. So this is 116 minus 72. Now 6 minus 2 4, 11 minus 7 4. So 44 is the power of the point. 44 is the power of the point with respect to the given circle S. Here also we have to observe this is always positive. Therefore power of point equals to 44, and here this is always positive. The point P of 5 minus 6 is exterior to the circle. Is exterior to the circle. So this is the solution for this question. So now the second one is, here also to find power of the point. So first we know that power of a point P x1 y1 with respect to the circle S equal 0 is S11. That is S11 means here we take x1 square plus y1 square minus 6x1 plus 4y1 minus 12. Now that means here we substitute minus 1 and 1. So this is x1, this is y1. So minus 1 whole square plus 1 square minus 6 into minus 1 plus 4 into 1 minus 12. Clearly it can be simplified that 1 plus 1 plus 6 plus 4 minus 12. So 10 plus 12. 12 minus 12 equal to 0. So the power of the point is 0. Power of P equals to 0, and the point P, so which is equals to 0. Clearly the point P lie on the circle. So this is the solution. So here also we have to take the same formula directly. Here we have to find S11. So x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1 plus 8y1 minus 23. In that substitute x1 y1, 2 square plus 3 square minus 2 into 2 plus 8 into 3 minus 23. Now that value equals to 2 square is 4 plus 9 minus 4 plus 24 minus 23. Here 4 minus 4 will be cancelled. 24 plus 9 is 33. 24 plus 9 is 33. 33 minus 23 is plus 10. So power of point equals to 10. So which is always positive. And the point P is exterior to the circle. Not only write the position, here directly to have to find power of P. So which is always positive, and also we have to take the point, the position of that point also. This is the solution. So in that one also we know that a power of point P x1 y1 with respect to the circle S equal 0 is S11. That is S11 is x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12. Now here also we have to substitute x1 y1. Here we can take x1 is 2, y1 is 4. So 2 square plus 4 square minus 4 into 2 minus 6 into 4 minus 12. So this is 4, this is 16. 4 square means 4 2 is 8, 6 4 is 24 minus 12. So 16 plus 4 is 20. So positive value is 20, negative value 24. So this is 20. 20, 24, 44. So that is minus 24. Therefore power of P equals to minus 24. We also observe this is always negative and the point P is interior to the circle. So this is the solution. So these are totally 4 sums in exercise 1B second Roman. These are to find the power of point with respect to circles, which are given in 2 marks in IPE examinations. So here to find length of the tangent. So our second formula is to find length of the tangent to the circle s equal to 0. So given the point P of x1 y1 equals to 1 3 and s equals to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 11 equal to 0. So we know that length of the tangent from P x1 y1 to the circle s equal 0 is square root s11. Here also we have to take length of the tangent is square root of s11 means x1 square plus y1 square minus 2x1 plus 4y1 minus 11. Now in that we substitute the point 1 3. 1 square plus 3 square minus 2 into 1 plus 4 into 3 minus 11. Now in that this is 1 plus 9 minus 2 plus 12 minus 11. So 12 plus 1 13, 13 plus 9 22. So this is 22 minus 13. So that value can be equals to square root 9. Square root 9 means 3. So length of the tangent is 3. This is the solution for this example. So here the exercise sums. First Roman, third one. Find the length of the tangent from the point P to the circle s equal to 0. Here we have to take the formula. We know that length of the tangent from P to s equal 0 is square root of s11, that is equals to square root of x1 square plus y1 square minus 25. Now that means square root of minus 2 whole square plus 5 square minus 25. Here 5 square minus 25 cancel. Minus 2 whole square means 4. 4 square root 4 is 2. So this is the length of the tangent. Similarly the second problem, we know that length of the tangent from the point P to s equal 0 is square root s11. That equals to, here we have to take square root of x1 square plus y1 square minus 14x1 plus 12y1 plus 25. Now here x1 square means 0 square plus 0 square minus 14 into 0 plus 12 into 0 plus 25. Here these values are equals to 0 because of these are zeros. So 0, 0, 14 into 0, 0, 12 into 0, 0. Only non-zero value is 25. Here square root 25 can be taken as 5. So this is the length of the tangent. Now here also given the point 25, the circle is xy plus y square minus 5x plus 4y minus 5. So we know that length of the tangent. From the point P to the circle s equal 0 is square root s11. Here that equals to, we have to take square root of x1 square plus y1 square minus 5x1 minus plus 4y1 minus 5. Now clearly we have to substitute 2 and 5 in that one. 2 square plus 5 square minus 5 into 2 plus 4 into 5, that is minus 5. Now that equals to 2 square is 4 plus 25. 5 square means 5 2 is a 10 minus 10. So here 4 5 is a 20 plus 20 minus 5. So here you can simplify that. This is 25 minus 5, 20. 20 plus 20, 40. 40 minus 10, 30. 30 plus 4, 34. Square root 34. So this is the length of the tangent. So now in second Roman, first sum is, if the length of the tangent from the point to the circle is 1. In previous sums, directed to find length of the tangent. Here given the length of the tangent from the point to the circle is 1. Here in the circle, to find the constant, coefficient of y, to find the constant k. So here also we have to take the same formula. We know that length of the tangent from the point P to the circle s equal 0 is s1. Now here also we have to find square root s11, not s11, square root s11. So in that, square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 2k y1, already given length of the tangent is. Now equating that value, that is equals to 1. Now in that substitute the point 54, 5 square plus 4 square plus 2k into y1. So y1 value is 4, 2 4 is 8 y1, 8k, 2 4 is 8k, that equals to 1. Now squaring on both sides, so this is 20, this is 25, this is 16, this is 8k, equals to 1. Now in that value is 41, 25 plus 16 is 41, 41 minus 1, that is 40. Now here 8k equals to minus 40, k equals to minus 5. Here minus 40 by 8. Now cancel with 8, 8 1 ja, 8 5 ja, that is minus 5. So this is the value of for k. This is the solution. Now in the second problem is, here also given length of the tangent from the point to the circle is square root 37, then find k. Here in the equation of the circle, to find the constant value k. So we know that the length of the tangent, from the point P to the circle s equal 0 is square root s11. Now here in the square root of x1 square plus y1 square minus 5x1 plus 4y1 plus k equals to, already given the length of the tangent, that equals to square root 37. Now squaring on both sides and also substitute the point x1 y1, that is 2 5. So 2 square plus 5 square minus 5 into 2 plus 4 into 5 plus k value is not known, that equals to 37. Here since squaring on both sides. Now that equals to, this is 4 plus 25 minus 10 plus 20 plus k equal to 37. So in that 25 plus 4 29, 29 plus 20 49, 49 minus 10 39. So 39 plus k equal to 37. So k equals to 37 minus 39, that equals to minus 2. So this is the value of k. Here given length of the tangent to find the constant in the equation of circle. So these are the 2 marks questions given in IPE. Next, in third Roman sums are 4 mark sums. So in third Roman, first problem is, if a point P is moving such that the lengths of the tangents from the point P to the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equals 0, and the second circle is x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equals 0, or in the ratio 2:3. Here given length of the tangents ratio, that is 2:3. Here to find the point, find the equation of locus. Now here consider the point P of x1 y1 is a point on the locus. So now we have to solution. In that, first let P of x1 y1 be a point on the locus. Be a point on the locus. And also given 2 circles. So given equation of circles are, first one is s equal to x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equals 0, and second one, that is sum s dash x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 equal to 0. So here given length of the tangents from the point P x1 y1 ratio, that is 2:3. So first to find length of the tangents, we know that length of the tangent from the point P is square root s1. Now here using that formula already given. So in the given length of the tangents drawn from the point P to the circles are in the ratio 2:3. So given condition is ratio of the lengths of tangents from the point P to both circles is 2:3. Now here we have to take length of the tangents using that formula, that is square root of, using first circle, x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12 whole by square root of x1 square plus y1 square plus 6x1 plus 18y1 plus 26. Already the ratio will be given, that is equals to 2/3. Now here squaring on both sides and we take cross multiplication. Then we write 9 into x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12 equals to, in that 2 square means 4 into x1 square plus y1 square plus 6x1 plus 18y1 plus 26. Now here we have to observe this is 9x1 square. We have to take left side 4x1 square. So that is 5x1 square. 9y1 square minus 4y1 square. That is 5y1 square. And in that, in left side minus 36x1. In right side 24x1. So we have to take left side minus 36 minus 24. So that is minus 60x1. So 9 6 minus 54. 4 into 18 72. So minus 54 minus 72. So that is 4 plus 2 6, 5 plus 7 1 2. So minus 126. So minus 126 y1. Remaining constants 12 into 9 minus 108. In that 26 into 4. 4 6 24. 4 2 8. 8 plus 4 12. So 4 6 24. 4 2 8. 8 plus 2. So 4 6 24. 4 2 8 plus 2 10. So minus 108 minus 104. That is minus 212 minus 212 equal to 0. So therefore required equation of locus of the point P is, here we take common 5 into x square plus y square minus 60x minus 126y minus 212 equal to 0. This is the solution for this question. So the second one is, if your point P is moving such that the length of the tangents drawn from P to the circles x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 equal 0, and the second circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equal 0. Here these lengths are equal. These lengths of the tangents are equal. Then find the equation of the locus of the point P. In the previous problem, given ratio of length of the tangents is 2:3. In that problem, given that these lengths are equal, using that condition. Now we go to the solution. First we write, let P of x1 y1 be a point on the locus. And given equation of circles, given s dash equals to x square plus y square plus 8x plus 12y plus 15 equals 0, and second circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 equals 0. So here also using the formula of length of the tangent, we know that the length of the tangent from the point P of x1 y1 to the circle s equals 0 is square root s1. So given one condition also. So given condition is length of the tangents drawn from the point P, the point P is Px1 y1 to both circles are equal. Now using that formula in that condition, we have to take the formula is square root s11. Now that is square root of s11 means x1 square plus y1 square plus 8x1 plus 12y1 plus 15. This length of the tangent is equals to second circle length of the tangent. x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12. Now squaring on both sides, x1 square plus y1 square plus 8x1 plus 12y1 plus 15 equals to x1 square plus y1 square minus 4x1 minus 6y1 minus 12. Squaring on both sides. This is our Sinks condition. Now it can simplify that. Here we have to observe x1 square will be cancelled. Y1 square also cancelled. Now this is 8x1 in RHS minus 4x1 is there. We take left side 8 plus 4 12x1. Similarly in LHS 12y1 in RHS minus 6y1 is there. We have to take left side 12 plus 6 is 18y1. The constants also minus 12 can be taken. So constant is 15 plus 12, that is 27 equals 0. Now here we have to observe divide with 3, that is 3 4 is 12. So 4x1, 3 6 is 18, 6y1, 3 9 is 27 plus 9 equal to 0. So this is the equation of the locus. Therefore required equation of locus of P satisfying the condition the lengths are equal is 4x plus 6y plus 9 equals 0. So this is the required locus of the P, which is the solution of the given problem. So these are the all solutions for first Roman, power of the point, length of the tangent. In second Roman, given length of the tangents, find the constants. In third Roman, to find equation of locus in both sums. In the first sum, given ratio. In the second sum, the lengths are equal. To find required equations of locus. So these are the solutions of the given problems in exercise 1b. Next, we continue in the remaining new concept in that circles in the next video. So prepare well and practice well. We note all problems. Thank you. Wish all the best.